Americans Uncensored Coffee Group. The restoration of some Victorian cast iron planters, urns.
See my freedom.
This is the third round of paint stripper and using wire brush on the drill and just knocking down the rust and corrosion. These are cast iron, really heavy, about 24 inches tall.
Make me feel so free.
I'm just working on the exteriors
Make
now.
me feel like me.
The interiors
Yeah, it lights my life.
need attention too. Thanks for watching.